What if there was a drill that could improve your accuracy, boost your fitness, give you better footwork, increase your confidence, and improve your touch? Would you give it a try? Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. Welcome back to Better Pickleball. Our mission is to help pickleball players over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. You want to stay in the know? Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification, and you'll never miss another video. A drill that will improve your footwork, increase your accuracy, give you greater target awareness, enhance your touch, and make you more fit is really not too good to be true. In fact, this comes from my good friend Ernie Medina, and he's given it the name Octopus. And frankly, I think it's quite fitting, and you're about to find out why. We'll be hitting 8 different shots in this drill. The first one will be from the baseline down the line with the forehand. Number 2, the baseline down the line with the backhand. Number 3, baseline cross court forehand. Number 4, baseline cross court backhand. The next 4 shots will come from the transition zone. The first one will be a cross court drop into the kitchen off the forehand, then a cross court drop into the kitchen off the backhand, followed by a downline drop shot forehand into the kitchen, and a downline backhand drop shot into the kitchen. Let's see what that looks like. If you could use a little extra help with your ground strokes, your footwork, or your drop shots, check out one of these playlists. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.